Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to enable script editor or custom script in SharePoint Online. Before that, let us understand what the script editor web part is in SharePoint Online. The script editor web part in SharePoint Online is a tool that allows users to add custom scripts such as HTML, JavaScript, or CSS directly to a SharePoint page. It enables you to enhance and customize the appearance and functionality of the page without needing to modify the underlying code. For example, you can use it to create interactive elements, display dynamic data, or apply specific styling to content. However, because of security concerns, its use is often restricted in modern SharePoint environments, and alternatives like SharePoint Framework, SPFX, are recommended for customizations. Let's learn how we can enable it. Log into your SharePoint Online Admin Centre using your SharePoint Online Administrator account. Click on the Settings menu from the left side pane. Then, click on the Classic Settings page link. The Settings page opens. You can go over each setting on this page. Search for the Custom Script section. Let's read out the text. Control whether users can run custom script on personal sites and self-service created sites. Note, changes to this setting might take up to 24 hours to take effect. Enable this option. Allow users to run custom script on self-service created sites. Be aware that this will take 24 hours to get it enabled. If you want to enable the script editor web part immediately on a particular site collection, you can enable it by executing the PowerShell or PnP PowerShell command. The PowerShell and PnP PowerShell commands are shown on the screen. Points to remember. Number 1. If you change this setting for a classic team site, it will be overwritten by the custom script setting in the Admin Center within 24 hours. Number 2. You cannot allow or prevent custom scripts to an individual user's OneDrive. Disclaimer. Before you allow custom script on sites in your organization, make sure you understand the security implications. Important considerations. Enabling custom scripts can introduce security risks, as it allows users to run potentially unsafe scripts on your SharePoint sites. Microsoft recommends using more secure methods like the SharePoint Framework, SPFX, for customizations.